Everyone's talking about Hyperliquid. It's fast, gas-free, and feels like a pro exchange on-chain. No KYC. The Hype token already skyrocketed tenfold. Let's explore why Hyperliquid is blowing up. Basically, Hyperliquid is another decentralized crypto trading platform. It runs on its own fast blockchain. You don't need to sign up or verify your identity. You can log in with an email and connect your wallet later if you want. The interface looks similar to centralized exchanges. Trades are fast, and you can use advanced trading tools. Everything runs on-chain. That's the basic idea behind Hyperliquid. Hyperliquid was created by a small team, not a big exchange or VCs. They wanted a trading platform that is fast, transparent, and decentralized. The founders, Jeff Yan and Eileen Sink, met at Harvard. After FTX collapsed in 2022, they saw people still wanted to trade, but didn't trust centralized exchanges. Their goal was to build a fast, Binance-like app that's fully on-chain and user-friendly. They avoided outside investors and token sales. All tokens went to the community, team, or reserves. Hyperliquid is built for speed. Most blockchains slow down with heavy use, but this one runs on its own chain. Trades settle in under 1 second, and fees are near zero. Trading also works differently. Hyperliquid uses a real on-chain order book. This means better prices, less slippage, and more control. Thanks to this setup, trading feels simple. You don't need to approve every step or pay gas each time. After connecting your wallet once, you can place and cancel orders in one click. The interface is clean and clear. Charts, orders, and open positions are all in one place. Even if you're new to crypto, it's easy to use. Hype is Hyperliquid's token. You use it to pay fees, vote, and in future features. There was no ICO or pre-sale. Most tokens went to users via airdrops and rewards. About 31% went to the first airdrop, 39% for ongoing rewards, 25% to the team, and 5% for growth. Hype launched at $3.90 in late 2024 and hit $42 by mid-2025. Now it's around $42. The price shows real interest. Many use it and see it as a long-term hold. It's still crypto. Prices can go up and down, but so far, Hype avoided big problems like early sell-offs. The Hyperliquid app runs right in your browser and feels much like a centralized exchange. One screen shows live charts, the on-chain order book, your open positions, history, and leverage controls. You can switch between spot and perpetual markets, trade with up to 50x leverage, and place market, limit, stop loss, take profit, or time-weighted average price orders. Everything updates in real time, and risk tools like cross and isolated margin are built in. It works on mobile, but desktop gives the smoothest experience. Hyperliquid works with most wallets you already use, like MetaMask, Rabby, or Coinbase Wallet. You can also choose the built-in option or connect with Gem Wallet. No one holds your funds. You stay in control. To start trading, just bridge some crypto from Ethereum, Arbitrum, Base, or another chain. Your balance will show up right away. To store Hype, you can add the Hyperliquid network to MetaMask, or use a wallet that supports it natively. No accounts or approvals needed. Just connect and trade. On November 29, 2024, Hyperliquid dropped 310 million Hype tokens, its 31% of supply, to nearly 94,000 users. No pre-sale, no private round, just rewards based on real trading during the Genesis period. Some users got big amounts, and volume hit $2 billion in the first 2 days. Now, users are calling the current phase Season 2, a point system that may lead to another airdrop. It's not confirmed, but the community is watching closely. Hyperliquid is growing fast and keeps getting better. In early 2025, they added Hyper EVM. This lets developers build apps like DeFi and stablecoins on their chain. They want to be more than just a trading app. New features like copy trading and liquidity pools are coming soon. But there are still some risks. There aren't many validators yet. The project is new and hasn't been tested in a bad market. No KYC might cause legal issues later, and it relies a lot on USDC and its own system. If they keep building and more developers join, Hyperliquid could grow a lot. That's it for Hyperliquid. Hope this gave you a good intro. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.